How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Orlando as we are at the Character Warehouse at the Premium Outlets on Vineland. We're gonna head inside, check out what they have. I haven't been here in a couple of weeks, so let's go. First item up is gonna be this plain red shirt. Flip it around. There's nothing on it, and it's $4.99. But it does say Disney right here, so I guess that counts. Still plenty of the Disney Cruise Line shirts here. We got Moonlight Magic for $9.99. European for $14.99, and or Norwegian, sorry, and then Europe over here for $14.99. We got Pandora shirts available still, $12.99. Sizes are all small right now. Morning Grump is $12.99, also small. We're not seeing a lot of extra larges in here. Really awesome Mickey shirt here, only available in small, medium, and large for $19.99. I do like that pattern there. Over here you got the Yin and Yang, $14.99. DJ Rex, as you can see, they actually have an extra large, small, and extra large. They actually have a bunch of them for $19.99. Big Star Wars fan here. DJ Rex. Mandalorian the Child available for $19.99. Sizes small, medium, and large. Jungle Cruise jacket, like that. Over here for $29.99. Small, yep, just extra small and small available. Disney trying to capitalize on the meme culture out there with profile pic and tag pic for $12.99. What'd you find there, Shelly?
I have no idea.
What is that? Okay, how much is that running there?
It says $168.
Says, oh, there's a tag right back there. It says $69.99, everybody. This track jacket here for $19.99. Look at that. That is cool. It says Disney World all over it. Size large. They still have some ink and paint around. You can see $39.99 for this amazing jacket. I keep saying we should get this for our daughter. Maybe next time? It's been here a while. Extra small only available here. Looks like we got a Spirit sweater, Spirit jersey style. Let's see, $44.99 right there. Found another red shirt here, $4.99. So just like the other red shirt, but Disney Springs Christmas Trail from 2019. Oh, there you go. Very cool. What is this? This is a huge like tote bag. It says $34.99 on it. I'm not seeing the discount rate on it. What? Oh, $7.99? You want to get one? Okay. $7.99 for the gloves. Bag, gloves. Now here's something really good. Ink and paint. You can see right here. You put him together, and then you can paint it. $14.99. Originally $24.99. I think that's a good deal right there. We just got off a Disney cruise recently, and $14.99 there for a Castaway shirt. Those are in medium. This is really adorable. Let's see this, $19.99. Disney Castaway. These curtains, can't really tell what they are. $19.99. Shelly, are these curtains? The wife just let me know they are swimsuit wraps with Castaway all over them, which is that's real nice. I like that. What else we got going on here? It's a blue sweater. Shelly, we got a plain blue sweater over here. Nope, there's nothing on the plain blue sweater here. $4.99, but it still says Disney on it. Disney Transatlantic 2020 here. You can see it's $2.99 now. They got the Alaskan 2020 cruise here for $9.99. It's a poster. Here we got Hawaii, which obviously didn't happen, $3.99. That is a future goal right there. And you can see they still have plenty of the Christmas bulbs here for the Western European, the British Isles, all 2020 stuff. We actually picked up one of these the other week because we wore the Fantasy and the Disney Dream now. NBA socks here. You guys see you got the Lakers, Youthly, $11.99 for the Lakers, $11.99 for the Golden State Warriors. As you can see, Steph Curry. Buzz Lightyear zip up stationery kit comes with a ruler, some pens, some paper in there. A couple other items, $14.99, and then I have another one down here. Looks like another Toy Story version of it. This one's also $14.99. So if you know my videos, the pins are kind of like the last item we really look at here. You can see Mickey has a mystery pin, so it could be any one of these in there for $8.99. Assorted Epcot pin, as you can see here, we got that one for $4.99, and then I dropped it.
No, you're good.
And this one right here that says Epcot, also $4.99. 2020 Cruise, Disney Cruise Line ones are available still for $5.99. Moonlight Magic for $5.99. Let's see, we got Living the Island Life. Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. Oh, we have not stayed there yet. $4.99. That is a future destination we are currently in the plans for. Let's see, we got Homegrown Flower and Garden for $4.99 there. So you can see the price. Lanyard with Hey Hey on there for $7.99. $6.99 for any of these pins they have, and they have so many of them. And on the other side, you can see there's Kylo Ren. And then what do we got down here? We got his ship and an ATST. Oh, I like that. Our 2 bags are left here at the front counter as we're heading out. It says 40. Doesn't look like there's a discounted price on those. Oh, $39.99. So what are they, 40? Oh, there's not a discount. Oh, okay. And then some R2, Dio and BB-8 for $14.99. Just finished up in the character warehouse there. I did pick up the Epcot pin because I think that's pretty cool. But they didn't have much new stuff, and it's been a couple weeks since we've been there, and
Yeah, nothing.
they were selling candy bars and
Like regular candy.
regular
Twix.
candy bars for regular price, and they just don't have much left in the store. I
Plain
mean,
shirts.
yeah,
Sweater.
the plain, no writing on it shirts for $4.99. I mean, if you're looking for a shirt, last minute, there you go. Or you can get a 2019 Christmas shirt, for $4.99. But I'm hoping in the future, with all the store closings and everything, that the Disney Character Warehouse starts picking up with their stuff and what's going on. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. And of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we will see you guys next time.